The Congress Party Pradesh Election Committee had met on Saturday, the 2nd of October 2021 to decide on the names to be considered for the upcoming by-polls in 3 assembly constituencies of Maurangkaneng, Mauplang and Rajabala in Meghalaya, scheduled to take place on 30th October. The Congress Party has decided to contest from all the seats, but one candidate is yet to be finalized. Talking to the press after the meeting, Leader of the Opposition, Dr. Mukul Sangma, said that 3 seats fell vacant following the demise of 2 Congress Legislature Party leaders, namely David Nongrum from Maurangkaneng and Dr. Azad Zaman from Rajabala, and recently independent legislator from Mauplang, S.K. Sun. The Pradesh Election Committee, chaired by the newly appointed Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee President Vincent H. Pala, has considered all the recommendations forwarded from the concerned party units or the Block Congress Committee and inputs from various other Congress committees. Sangma said that the PEC has decided 2 candidates for the 2 constituencies, one of which is yet to be finalized, after more inputs are received. The entire process would be completed by this evening, after which the names will be sent to the AICC for the Congress President's consideration and would publicly make an announcement of all candidates.
The Election Commission has already notified the election date, and therefore the PEC, the Pradesh Election Committee, has set today, which was chaired by the new PCC President, Mr. Vincent Pala. And the PEC had considered all the recommendations which have been forwarded by the concerned party units, meaning the Block Congress Committee, and subsequently also with all the inputs received from the respective District Congress Committee. Based on those inputs, after having scrutinized each and every application and the inputs furnished before the PEC has decided upon, at least as far as 2 of the candidates for 2 constituencies. For in respect of one of the constituencies, I would not like to name, the PEC wanted to get some more inputs and therefore deferred the final decision, which will be hopefully completed by today, before the evening. And after this whole exercise is completed, the names will be forwarded to AICC for the kind consideration of the Honorable Congress President. And once it is approved by the Honorable Congress President, then you will have the name and will be able to share it with all of you. Thank you.
The MPCC chief, Vincent H. Pala, when asked about rivalry within the party, said that there are no personal issues between him and the CLP leader, Dr. Mukul Sangma. Pala informed that after having spoken with the CLP leader, the only issue seems to be the non-consultation of the AICC with senior party members or with Dr. Mukul Sangma, who is the CLP leader in the state's Congress Party.
What I talked to Dr. Mukul is that it has nothing to be against me, because Dr. Mukul told me that the way they appoint the president, be it me, but anybody, should be have been consulted with the CLP or the senior leaders in the party. So personally, there's nothing with me and him, or there's nothing to be done much. But I think Dr. Mukul said that the ICC did not consult him. So nothing to do with me. I have not even taken any decision. There's no such a decision which I've taken against be it MLA or Dr. Mukul, anybody. So what I discussed with him about these issues, I think it has to do with the ICC, nothing to do with me.
Okay. So we also understand that the AICC has asked for a report from the MPCC regarding this report of Dr. Mukul that was reported, Dr. Mukul shifting over and all of that, and the Congress trouble that is going on.
No, there's ICC, just over phone they said anything a problem, and I told them I'm in Delhi. So what's happened? So they did not ask any such a report as such. I don't know. I don't think they asked any such a report at all. So I think rather speculations is more than that. Maybe, but nobody tells the truth. Of course, you know better than me. So, but as far as I'm concerned, I always want to be transparent in life, be it any part. So definitely when we have a committee in place, when we inquire, and then when the ICC will give us, if they ask us any report, then definitely we'll give them the fair and transparent report. But as of now, I've not got anything that they've asked for a report on the issues. Rather, Dr. Mukul told me that they've called